Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick catch up on where we at in the vlog because I haven't really been vlogging. So we left the hotel, currently by Donald's now. We go link up with Katie and some other guys and go to Little Ochi. That's by ADAPTATION. So we're at the same thing. It's about a 45 minute drive from here. So at the pre right now. And yeah, I'll take you guys there. It's gonna be my second time in Little Ochi. I went there once. I don't know, back then like the food wasn't like, it wasn't a wow factor. I remember I bought like fried fish and some fritters and some burgers. But anyway, I'm gonna try it again today and I'll let you guys know how it is. I know some of you guys said like you want to see Jamaican Christmas. Well, see it, yeah.
Uptown.
It's
crazy! Merry Christmas! JPS are come for the rotted.
Red
I should. Where's my Christmas song? This is crazy.
Yep.
You should get out and take a picture.
JPS team, turn up. Alright guys, so sorry brother. Yo, I'm reach at my house. I know say you guys always want to know which part I really live. You see me I say? And this is my house. Welcome to Stephen's crib. You know what I'm saying? So you don't know, over there so me have my girl, you see me? And over there so rest of my family live. You get me I say? But yo, place is dope. I might sitting. But you know, I'm still worried about JPS and tip on my yard. But anyway, I've seen enough. Alright guys, so we're pretty much there, Little Ochi. Judah behind me, David, and Dano. And yo, what time is it now? It's like to 8? 7:17 yo, and a place full like people there. Watch out. Cure, be a man. Easy me so. But it's a holiday, so I guess that's the reason why it's a little bit packed. I haven't been here since like the last 8 years, so it's been a while. Don't know if I come with the money, like for the money up.
Alright, you know, alright, let me explain. The money not way up, but if you want good food, carry enough.
So is there like a special this guy called Black or Blacker?
Yeah, Black are the owner for Little Ochi. You can, if you know him, he will sort you out good. I
So
think I him that too.
So it's like one it's just like one restaurant, right?
Well no. Little Ochi, you see a snack bar over there, so the ice cream shop. You have somebody out there so will sell some like ital juice.
Yeah.
Somebody walk around sell ital juice and thing.
Yeah.
But the main bar and grill there. Yeah, yes.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, so we go there so get some food. I don't know what I get in. I'm probably feeling for fried fish. I don't know what's up, but yeah. There's a vibe. What about people there? I must wait for the food too. So yeah. One thing I remember, one experience that I had was like Jano. It was a long wait. It was a super long wait to get food. I hope it's not like that today. Alright, so we're there. That's a, is a look one fish thing, yeah. Jano. So if you don't know fish and them thing, yeah, you get knocked.
The blue one or parrot?
I love parrots. Snap. Yeah man, we know them. I know it man. You see me?
Did he really just walk off to try to shoot me? Like, really? Really?
Yeah, so up there you have
We are her.
Yeah, hold on.
The sea battle shit.
They're playing sea battle. Yeah. Hey, okay guys, you have the menu. So there's a lot of stuff there. So that, you guys can just freeze frame. So you can just freeze frame and see whatever is on the menu. But yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys the cook price. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but the food is good, so they say.
You should get some jerk coke so I can have it.
Alright, I'll get some of that. So the man them back here, so I prepare up the food good. That look like skunk.
Yeah, that looks like coke.
Yeah, definitely like skunk. And it looks delicious and it's not even cooked yet.
Yeah.
The fire go on hot. Hold on guys. Yeah. It's a nice vibe, I like it. It's a nice little vibe. Lobster I'll get there with fish and everything. Yeah man, I really think One thing the man them done are dedicated to them art. People there bringing out trays of food. Like I'm telling you, if you guys want like really good seafood in Jamaica, like make sure you check out Little Ochi. That's a fact, because ever since I've been growing up, people always been talking about here. Like
music from Holy as a child.
Yeah, it's a place that people always talk about, so you don't know. And the fish, wow, it's like some really nice fish. Check out the part of them.
One piece. Kirk. Lobster, we are cheap. We like the first one. Cheers.
Wow, they got crab and conch. Dope. Yo, what kind of fish there? It's like a shark.
Yeah, that's actually a shark.
It's a shark, a baby shark.
Baby shark.
What's happening here? So we haven't quite ordered as yet because we're waiting on KT. He's pretty far away, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, whatever we do, I'm getting fried fish, and Kong is getting octopus. Donna is getting half conch, half octopus. Davy is getting jerk fish. Pretty much. Yeah. So, and what's the side orders?
Yeah, buy me a festival. You can get a jerk. No, me I can probably get jerk breadfruit.
Jerk breadfruit. Okay. Alright guys, so we pretty much just got to our table, as you guys can see. How to describe the sand here? You guys probably can't see it, of course, but the sand here is black, right?
Yeah.
Last time I came here, the sand was black, so yeah. Black sand, it's a nice view. I can't really see out the sea, but of course in the day the view is great. Where?
Kirkvine.
Kirkvine. And the guys.
Complex, the port.
The port. So he's saying the Kirkvine port is somewhere over there.
That is the Kirkvine port.
All of that.
All of it is a Kirkvine port.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. And yeah, so everything is pretty cool. As I go on, all our vibe, you know? I'm at something. Okay guys, so pretty much went to the combo, like the 4,200 with what common nights? Crab,
Fish, lobster, shrimp. Yeah, but we get a replacement of the shrimp for octopus.
Octopus? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, and we got like festival, bami, plan. Yeah, total was like 4,800. But 2 persons, that's not bad, to be quite honest. But I'll tell you guys how good the food is whenever I get there. So the guy says about like 25 minutes, so we estimated like 40-45 minutes. 1 hour. But yeah, so we'll put the order in and everything. To be quite honest, yo, if you're not from Jamaica and stuff, it's a bit complicated. Because even for me, I was just kind of like, what? It's like so many different things, but how can I explain it? First of all, find someone who is like collecting the stuff. So you're gonna tell them, yo, we want this amount of fish, we want this amount of crab, or whatever. So, and they're gonna take it to the kitchen, and then you're gonna talk to the guy who was at the kitchen window and tell him, yo, I want it to be done this way, that way, blah, blah, blah. You see me? And then he's gonna write it up on a piece of ticket, like a piece of paper. Take that to the cashier, pay for it, bring back the receipt, give it to him. Your order is in. But the funny part about it, you can sit anywhere outside and they will find you. So like, yeah. The last time I was here, they found me. I don't know how they
find
it. Yeah,
they have a way.
They have a talent. I don't know how they do it, but yeah. But anyway, we're here and Davine was like knocking the table because she's losing or something.
I won. What you mean?
So you're excited? Okay.
What you come?
Oh yeah, so
You need
guys,
contacts
KT's
now,
here.
Yup.
He's somewhere
Be a
back
hot
there.
girl.
You feel me? And some of his other friends are here. So it's a
Oh.
Yeah, there's a whole group of us.
Girl.
Sorry.
Let the people see me. I'll twerk later on the table.
Oh.
Get this video to 600 likes.
Wait, stop block.
Yeah. Shop video.
So then I said to her, so I see like two guys come out with food, like plates eating. So I said, so hold on, so so me not hungry, I don't understand.
She was like, for me, if you stop, I have stuff your face. I was like,
I had to get black on them, like black. They're like, what you order?
That is the best part about having like girlfriends. Like the best part. Because like guys will hold it. Not them.
They don't hold it.
Look good? No. Alright, we're live.
Yeah.
So the food finally is approaching, guys.
6 hours later.
6 hours later. But as I said, I don't remember like the flavor composition of the last time, so I think it's to die for it, as so they said. So let's get it. Alright.
No, like what's what though? Like just tell us what's what so we can just share it. Do whatever. I don't want to be playing a guessing game right now. Garlic what? Oh. There's supposed to be two of that. Didn't you order jerk? But you said jerk.
I ordered jerk seafood, right? And garlic come. That's me.
Jerk seafood.
Garlic come for me.
Garlic.
Garlic conch. Stew conch, yeah. That's here.
That's okay.
Garlic lobster.
That's us. Garlic lobster.
Fried fish.
Fried fish, yeah. It's a fried sprat.
Where's the crab?
Yeah.
Where's the crab?
Oh.
Yeah, there's supposed to be crab, some curried crab. Was it curried, babe?
Yeah, some crab.
What did that seafood do?
You sure say it come off real?
If it not come up, babe, my soup come, don't ramp with me.
How about the jerkfish though? Where's the jerkfish?
Okay.
Can we get two soups in the meantime though? Can we get two soups? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
sure.
we don't get everything yet. Where the side orders them? Y'all want me to get mad.
Yeah, she getting
They
upset
want
because
me
she
to
getting
get
hungry.
mad up here.
But yeah.
Oh, hold up.
Oh, we got forks?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm ready. Here's your fork, bro. Let's go.
So her.
I am ready.
Oh yeah, we're side them the reach.
That's it. We can't eat it. Still ready. I'm ready. Come roll it in.
Her food isn't here as yet, but she's pretty much raping Donna's food, so
He was like, what do you guys order for sides? Like, I was like, wait, what? Your side's not done? Like, I don't understand.
What is this? Octopus?
Yes.
give it that, boy. Alright, so yeah, the food there. But we're here for the other food, like the sides, the man thing and thing, so yeah.
Hey, Destiny.
Yo!
What the pepper?
I just had the jerk octopus. Yo, it's full of flavor. But
I told you.
it's good. It's good. The stew conch.
I'm
Good, but
dead.
it's good. But yeah.
The octopus is better.
You do the jerk fish? You want the bun up, they can bun up jerk chicken bun.
Oh yeah, the one up
Alright. Cheers.
benches.
Why would it?
Right, well. I'm auntie, no, my auntie legit say
Pretty good.
benches, I'm the chairs. Chairs, benches.
Festival is good. Taste one?
Hey, there's a fork.
Oh.
The fork is right here.
Oh.
Yeah, all I got is coconut though, bro.
Good.
So, when I go to see about the food, I did focus on the bridge.
I think you guys need to get two, at least two vegetables over this, I believe.
What about the conch? No. I know conch.
If that's all on the side.
So far the jerk thing is bomb. Can I take some what's that?
Can I put the vegetables in that plate or something?
Okay.
That's all on the sides?
I'm supposed to get the baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Wow.
You're going to baby too? Yeah.
Wow. How can I talk about the conch? The conch is what it's supposed to be. Like it's not too soft and it's not too rubbery. It's just perfect.
I mean,
I love that. I love that so far.
Yeah, sure these are mine.
See? And we ordered bami, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So far I'm happy, to be quite honest. Really good.
Can you come up this back up here? If you come, baby,
Yo.
if there's a problem, if there's a problem, maybe I probably want to get jerk or something.
Yeah.
But what else does he want?
I would remember say crab a beer shell.
Babes, cutie pie, brownie, blue shirt.
Yo guys, the bami, to me the bami is perfect. It's not too thick and it's not thin.
And then those start the crab. Can we just get some jerk octopus instead? And I don't want no teeny bits like come up on the plate here. Don't do it. I'm hungry, I'm black, ready.
No, seriously. This is good. Is there more bami?
What are you doing?
Oh.
Oh yeah, you ordered two.
Wait.
Two halves. That's all they do the bami.
So this is considered one baby?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
You're crazy.
No, we need more.
That is one. No, absolutely no.
I'm sorry. How often do you come here, Judah?
When the guy come back and ask you. When the guy come back and ask you.
No, me fight over that bami. This to me is one of the favorite parts about going out with different people. Everyone orders something different and you can actually try it. So the next time when you come here, you know what to get. And trust me, I have a whole lot of fun with that food. Yeah. The food is really good. I'm not even start on the fish or the lobster. But so far, it's a...
You ain't getting this lobster? You got your fish, boo?
That's what you thought.
You got your fish?
That's what you thought. Alright, so we pretty much just got our crab a while ago. I'm not gonna try it because it's hot, but we're pretty much gonna take it home. Overall, to me personally, the food shocked. Like everything was like very interesting and very different. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're pretty much leaving Little Ochi, and let me tell you, the last time I came, I wasn't really a food enthusiast. I was just eating food, but like now, until it's 100, the food turn up. The food nice, the food good. It take long. I can be very straightforward with you guys. It's gonna be long, it's gonna be hectic, but it's worth it. Anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember,
Feed your girl. Feed your girl.
I never ever twerk. What could I call
get out of the car, girl.
We gotta.
Hey.